Scarpetta.
Sorry to wake, Doc. There's been a murder at Dangerfield on the train tracks.
Shit. Okay.
어느 늦은 밤 끔찍한 살인 사건이 벌어졌다는 소식에 현장으로 향하는 수석법의관 케이 스카페타.
Good to have you back, Doc.
그녀는 28년 전 충격적인 사건을 뒤로 은퇴했다 최근에 다시 복귀한 것인데요.
Right this way. Jane Doe. Dump like trash.
Why do you think he'd say that the hands are,
여성의 시체는 두 손이 잘린 채 끔찍하게 유기되어 있었습니다. 이때 주위를 살펴보던 스카페타가 동그란 무언가를 찾아냅니다. 두 손이 잘려져 나간 끔찍한 시신을 본 스카페타는 28년 전 그 사건을 다시 떠올리기 시작하죠.
Scarpetta.
Pete Marino here. We got us another one.
Okay, I'm on my way.
이제 화면은 과거로 돌아가 살인 사건이 벌어졌던 소식에 현장으로 향하는 젊은 스카페타를 비춥니다.
Excuse me.
Dr. K. Scarpetta, Chief Medical Examiner. You are?
Officer August Ryan, doctor.
Right, there should be gloves here, Officer Ryan, some kind of PPE. You can't contaminate the crime scene.
I was never first on the scene before of a grisly murder and
그렇게 초보 경관에게 주의를 준 뒤 스카페타는 현장을 확인하기 위해 안쪽으로 향하는데요.
Hey, Doc. This here's the husband, Matt Peterson. Mr. Peterson, our chief ME, Dr. Scarpetta.
머리노 형사와 함께 스카페타는 아내를 잃은 남편 피터슨에게 조심스레 질문을 던지죠.
I'm so sorry for your loss, Mr. Peterson. She was a doctor, your wife?
A surgical resident at the Virginia Medical Center. She worked in the ER. She is usually back by 12:30.
And you were out, or?
Matt was just telling me about play rehearsal. He's an actor.
I got in late. After 2, it was dark. So I just assumed that she was asleep. The smell.
What kind of smell?
I don't know. Like maple. But sour. Terrible.
이상한 냄새가 났다는 남편의 말을 뒤로 한 채 두 사람은 두 손이 잘려져 있는 끔찍한 시신을 마주합니다. 범인의 행동을 유추해보며 현장을 조사하는 두 사람.
Water in the tub.
Must be where he grabbed her.
Screen in the bathroom windows popped out. Maybe how he got in?
All the other victims are single.
당시 여성들만 노려 손을 자른 연쇄살인범이 있었기에 스카페타는 이번 살인 역시 연쇄살인범의 짓이라고 생각합니다.
Doc.
Is that the husband's?
I'll make sure and ask.
남편을 의심하는 머리노 형사를 뒤로 한 채 스카페타는 시신의 상태를 정확히 확인하기 위해 부검을 시작하는데요. 과연 과거 해결된 줄 알았던 살인 사건은 아직 끝나지 않은 걸까요?
Manner of death's homicide mechanism is exsanguination, period. The head wound, though significant, was not the cause. Perhaps to incapacitate her, period.
화면은 다시 현재로 돌아와 샤워를 하며 시신에 대한 생각을 정리하는 스카페타를 비춥니다.
The weapon would have to be hard and smooth, flat-bottomed with a broad, roundish surface, period.
Dr. Scarpetta? Officer Ryan just called. There's a situation that requires your assistance.
Is it about the Jane Doe at the railroad tracks?
Oh, yes.
잠시 후 신원미상 시신의 정체가 밝혀졌다는 것을 들은 스카페타는 지금은 경찰을 은퇴했지만 과거 함께 움직였던 머리노와 피해자의 집으로 향하는데요.
Hey, Doc.
Hey.
Sorry to call so much. Doc?
I just deputized him as my forensic ops guy officially. He's on the payroll, everything.
You just did that in the car?
Forensic ops in the house.
Who lives here?
Gwen Haney, 33, biomedical engineer at Thor Labs. That tech company off I-95 that made the news for 3D printing human organs. Her boss called it in when she was a no-show at the office.
Any of the security footage from those 2 cameras on the gate? Maybe check that out. They're operational.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Yeah.
Why do you think this missing Gwen Haney is Jane Doe?
Because I think we may have found the murder weapon.
경찰은 피해자 괜 헤이니의 집에서 흉기를 발견해 현재 지문 감식 중이라고 말합니다.
Open the door.
It's the right size, right shape. There's no blood on the ball, but there was only one blow.
You think he killed her?
Would have eventually, but he took her to Dangerfield Island, slit her throat, and she bled out.
No, but it could have caused a brain injury, huh?
그리고 이때 경찰이 지문 감식 결과가 나왔다는 소식을 전해줍니다.
Prints on the kettlebell came back with a name.
And?
Who is it? Ryan. Who is it?
It's Matt Peterson.
Matt Peterson, the husband of the murdered Lori Peterson?
No, that can't be right.
They're his prints.
If that's true, then 20 years ago.
We got the wrong guy.
범인은 정말 28년 전 피해자의 남편이었던 것일까? 스카페타는 고민하며 괜의 시신을 다시 살펴보다 수상한 흔적을 찾아내죠.
Good morning, Maggie.
Morning. Message from Fabian. No prints or DNA on the penny you found at the train track. You're cutting in the cooler.
Mm-hmm. This looks like a skin graft. I didn't notice it during the autopsy because the color matched.
But now she's decomposing.
That's right. Can you run this for rapid DNA testing?
Won't it be her DNA?
Probably.
잠시 후 집에서 한숨 돌리던 스카페타는 남편이자 현재 FBI에서 근무하는 벤턴을 만나 괜에 관해 말해보는데요.
So, the Jane Doe who was on the train tracks was actually a biomedical engineer working at Thor Labs, Gwen Haney.
Not your average Jane Doe. Marino says you think Matt Peterson might be involved.
Only to the extent that his prints were on the murder weapon.
Perhaps you should try and get some sleep.
I can't.
You've been up a long time.
I can't. My first big case, the one that I built my whole career on, my reputation, everything you know as well as I do. I can't be wrong.
Yeah. You know what? It's gonna be okay. Okay?
If you say so.
You got the right guy.
Yeah.
Okay?
하지만 28년 전 맷 피터슨이란 남자는 그 후 잠적해 쉽게 찾을 수 있는 상황은 아니었습니다.
I know.
Gwen Haney had a skin graft on her leg. I mean, it was probably from a wound or a burn, but I don't know. It didn't seem like the skin was real, so I sent her rapid DNA.
What do you mean you don't know if her skin was real?
Well, she didn't have any scars on her body where they would have had to take in the tissue for the graft, so...
So what?
So it was
where did it
probably
come
from a cadaver, or it was...
Cadaver?
Or it was 3D printed.
What's Frankenstein? 3D printing?
Yes.
Fucking bullshit.
They're doing it everywhere.
Fucking high.
I mean, if it's from a cadaver, then it'd be like a normal skin graft, and it's not going to match Gwen's DNA. But if it's 3D printed, then they would have had to use her cells for the bioink, and that means that it will match Gwen's DNA.
You're out of your mind.
Thank you.
I didn't mean it like... Shit, it's Lucy. Hi, Luce. Hi, I've got you on speaker.
이때 머리노의 딸이자 천재 프로그래머인 루시에게서 전화가 오고 스카페타는 고민 끝에 루시에게 맷 피터슨을 찾아달라 부탁하기로 하죠.
We need your help. It's very important. We have a possible murder suspect who has gone off the grid.
Can you help us out?
Why can't you find him?
Well, because I'm not a cop anymore.
We need you. And we love you.
Fine. I'll help. Give me his name.
Matt Peterson.
그렇게 루시에게 피터슨을 부탁한 채 두 사람은 다시 괜의 집 주변을 살펴보기로 하고 스카페타는 차고로 가봅니다.
She would have bled heavily. The kettlebell split her scalp, but it didn't kill her. He wrapped her, carried her. He had to be strong. Carried her down here, where the trunk would have been. Did she have a car?
Nope. She got rides. taxis. No record of any Ubers.
No credit cards, no social media, no online presence.
We still haven't found her phone.
어째선지 괴는 아무런 흔적도 남기지 않았는데요.
Gwen Haney, she was deeply involved in the Thor Orbiter project.
3D printing human organs in space.
Amongst other things, we were put on her about a year ago. For sure, we knew espionage was on the table, industrial spying, if nothing else.
그 사이 벤턴은 괜히 산업 스파이일 가능성이 있다는 보고를 들으며 다른 방향에서 조사를 이어나가고 그 사이 머리노는 괜의 매니저를 만나 얘기를 나눠봅니다.
Furnished this place. It doesn't even look like she moved in. When you say she paid 3 months in advance, all cash, didn't strike you as odd, huh?
It struck me as being fortuitous. I mean, the place wasn't even fully done yet.
Right, and nobody else has an extra key but you.
Well, yeah, on the account that I'm the manager.
Yeah, right.
Wait, I mean, you don't...
No, slow down, Cliff. It's okay. You seem like an upstanding guy, right? I'm bumping a little bit on the fact that you're the only other person with the key and you happen to know her whole jogging routine.
No. I just saw her one morning.
Right. Well, still, it compels me to have to go to Officer Frug and have her just bring in for a little more questioning, maybe even a Polly.
Polly. Hey, listen, I'm just the manager.
Uh-huh.
Look, there might have been somebody else that had access to a key on the down low.
Yeah. And who might that be?
There was a boyfriend.
The boyfriend, this Jinx Slater, does he have a history of violence?
According to a neighbor, sometimes when they'd break up, he'd act out in ways that were...
그 시각 벤턴은 괜의 남자친구인 징크스란 남자에 대해 들으며 이번 수사가 기밀로 진행돼야 한다는 말을 듣는데요.
She ever reported?
Listen, I don't know how to say this without just saying it.
Then just say it.
You know you can't tell your wife any of this, right?
You mean my wife? The chief medical examiner in charge of the case?
아무래도 괴는 단순한 피해자는 아닌 것으로 보였죠.
My gut says she was up to something. She had access to all that tech, all those secrets. I mean, she must have been selling whatever she could get her hands on. She had no stuff, no furniture, no personal stuff, nothing, so she didn't live here.
A bundle of money to pay for it up front.
Okay, what was she selling?
You think all that got her killed?
My gut's still on the fence about that.
한편 피터슨에 대해 조사하던 루시는 자신의 정보망을 토대로 그가 이름을 받고 살고 있다는 것을 알아냅니다.
Got you, motherfucker. Yes.
그 사이 머리노 형사는 괜의 남자친구 징크스에 대해 전달받으며 그에 관한 정보를 쉽게 얻을 수 없다는 걸 듣습니다.
All right, listen to me. This boyfriend, Jinx Slater, he's a hacker. Off the grid that goes through proper police channels by which I am currently restricted, if you catch my drift.
Are you saying you need somebody outside of police protocol to help you find him?
I'm not saying that.
결국 머리노는 또다시 루시에게 부탁을 하기로 하죠.
Yes. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Beautiful, thank you. I don't.
Thank you.
Those are now.
Yama Matthew Peter.
That's Matt Peterson's new name. That guy you wanted me to find.
Fuck is a Yama?
A Yama is the Hindu god of resurrection.
Yama, Yama.
Yama who?
Matt Peterson. Lucy found him.
Yeah, well, he's running some like pseudo-spiritual grief cult out of a veggie farm.
That sounds about right. Yeah, good job.
It wasn't that hard. You can find anyone with the right equipment.
Oh, no. NASA doesn't have your equipment, honey.
Hey, Lou, I'm gonna need you to find somebody else when you have the time, okay? This guy's a professional hacker, so it's gonna be a little more challenging.
I do doubt that.
Okay, well, his name is Jinx Slater. Longtime boyfriend of this Gwen Haney we found murdered on the railroad tracks.
Thank you.
Anyway, really he's gonna help out this Officer Frug, but, you know, after you eat.
징크스에 대한 얘기가 나오자 벤턴의 표정이 어두워집니다. 한편 화면은 어떤 박스를 들고 모텔로 향하는 남자를 비추는데요. 그리고 놀랍게도 박스 안에는 괜에 잘려진 손이 들어있었죠.
Yeah, I'm a Matthew Peter. Think he's ditched the acting? Or is this his greatest role yet? Cult guru, veggie grower.
I see cult leader more than I see farmer.
Whatever it is waiting for us up there, we better be prepared.
Well, it's quite possible that Gwen was a spy and Peterson had nothing to do with this.
Yeah, with their 3D bionic leg and her donkey heart.
The DNA on the screen graft was hers, so it was likely biosynthetic.
See, now why can't it just be bio?
Because the decomp is all wrong, which is actually good news for us, because if Gwen was in deep in Thor and she was selling secrets to God knows fucking who, then Peterson was just a coincidence and we don't have anything to worry about.
I did think it was him back then. But you proved me wrong, right?
Yeah, well, you need to be wrong. I need to be right. Because, I mean, if he really did have something to do with this, then Gwen's death is on me.
그렇게 스카페타의 말을 뒤로 한 채 시간은 다시 과거로 가 머리노가 범행 현장에서 찾아낸 반짝이는 형광물질에 대해 조사하는 장면을 비춥니다.
Detergent, moisturizer, makeup remover.
Morning, Doc.
Good morning.
Brought those in special delivery myself from the Peterson home. We got detergent, moisturizer, makeup remover. So far, nothing sparkled, right? Under the UV box thing? The lotions and potions from the other murder scenes?
No. Just the substance the killer left on the murdered women's bodies.
당시 머리노의 강력한 주장으로 인해 이들은 피터슨의 물품에서 형광물질이 있는지 조사해 보는데요.
Nothing. Holy smokes, Doc. What do you know?
Blush slab.
That's the makeup remover Matty boy used the night of the murder. Fucking A. Sick son of a bitch killed his wife.
Don't jump for joy just yet. We're still waiting for the full SEM analysis of both substances.
You're telling me that we got two glittery goos, one of which just happens to belong to the dead woman's husband, and we still don't think he's the killer.
We should be looking for other suspects.
Like who?
Like a suspect who, I don't know. Maybe they have a connection to the 3 previous victims.
정말 피터슨이 범인이었던 것일까? 이제 다시 화면은 현재로 돌아와 이름을 바꿔 새 삶을 살고 있는 피터슨을 비춥니다.
Middle of nowhere, huh?
Mm-hmm. Probably shouldn't expect a warm welcome. If he remembers us at all.
혹시 모를 상황에 대비해 머리노는 권총까지 챙겨 피터슨을 만나러 향하죠.
Here comes in and hum.
What the fuck is going on here?
Lucy said it was a grief cult.
Oh yeah? Looks more like prostitution, kidnapping and sex trafficking.
이때 피터슨이 자신을 바라보며 서 있는 스카페타와 머리노를 발견합니다.
Just remember we have no official capacity here.
Yeah, we're just picking carrots.
Let's go to lunch.
Ladies. Matt Peterson. I don't know if you remember us. It's been a long time.
Detective Marino. Dr. Scarpetta.
That's us.
Decades have passed and yet no time at all. You're just in time for lunch. Come on. Join us.
그렇게 두 사람이 피터슨을 만나는 사이 루시에게 머리노의 동료 경찰이 찾아옵니다.
Who the hell are you? Blaze Frug. Pete Marino sent me. Said you're helping locate a suspect for the Gwen Haney case.
Yeah, I'm looking for a guy. Jane Slater. For Marino.
Well, actually, you're looking for him for me. Marino doesn't even work for the police anymore. This is my case.
Guess you better come in then.
So I hacked Jinx's cell provider, got the PIN ID for his cell phone, and that led me to a cell tower. Is there any way you could say all that without admitting to 3 felonies? Well, don't worry. The rest of it's too inside baseball for you to understand. Is that from a drone?
그때 루시가 띄운 드론 영상을 발견하는 여경찰.
Is that from your drone?
Yes, and lucky for us, looks like he's home.
Wow, I guess you are kind of good at this.
None to it.
Great. Text me the address?
Wait, I'm coming with.
No, you can't.
Jinx is a programmer, an elite hacker. You have no shot without me.
결국 징크스를 잡기 위해 그녀는 루시와 함께 징크스의 집으로 향하죠.
Jinx Slater?
하지만 어째선지 방금 전까지 있었던 징크스의 모습이 보이질 않습니다.
Well, he was just here.
It's like he might have run in a hurry.
Yeah, like killed my girlfriend and split.
Could be. Huh.
What you got?
Fabric ink. The kind that disappears in water. You know, Chief Scarpetta was starting to think that maybe Gwen was a spy.
Being at Thor, Gwen would have had access to a lot of secret shit. So, think someone came for Jinx too?
Sure looks that way.
You can't keep me here. I know my rights.
그런데 사실 징크스는 벤턴에게 잡혀온 상태였습니다.
Jinx, this is a federal investigation, and as such, we can keep you here as long as we want.
Hell, we could even disappear you. We're the people who do that kind of shit.
Do you know that a sickening proportion of women in the United States are killed by their intimate partners? I didn't kill Gwen. I loved her.
Loving her just makes us suspect you more.
It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't.
And who was it then?
벤턴은 징크스가 소 연구소를 해킹했던 것을 들먹이며 괜을 어째서 죽인 거냐고 압박하는데요.
I never hurt Gwen. You want to tell me why you made a habit of hacking Thor Labs' computer system? You were well aware that Thor Labs was doing experimental research into 3D bioprinting human tissue and organs. And we were well aware that you and Miss Haney were selling that information to the Russians. So what happened? You find out she was cheating? What? Oh, come on.
이때 벤턴은 괜히 바람을 피웠다는 증거를 보여줍니다.
These are her text exchanges with a man from her contacts named Gary Mitchell. Now, I can understand why you would be hurt. And she used you. And then she got bored with you. Probably wanted someone more like herself, smart, ambitious. Kind of person she could build a life with. And how could you compete with that? You, huh? A dullard. And your anger broke you, Jinx. And you killed her. So I tried to protect her. Protect her from what? She would lay digital trails, and I'd clean up after her. I would obscure them so Thor wouldn't catch her. So that's why you hacked him. She really sent all the stuff to some other guy.
그렇게 징크스가 계속 결백을 주장하는 사이 피터슨과 얘기하는 스카페타.
Please help yourselves. We grow it all here.
I'm good. Wait, so is it true you changed your name to Yama Matthew? What is that? Is that a real thing?
Thank you. In Buddhism, Yama means god of death. I couldn't be the same after what happened to my wife.
No.
The psyche, it creates what I call workarounds, ways of coping. There are bad ways, and there are good ways. The good was to try to help other people who'd lost people. That's what gave birth to this place.
Do you know this woman, Gwen Haney?
No.
What about you?
No, she does not.
Can you let her speak?
I don't know her.
What does this woman have to do with anything?
She was murdered. And the weirdest part about that is they found your prints in her condo.
흉기에서 자신의 지문이 나왔다는 말에 피터슨은 당황합니다.
I don't hold a grudge against either of you for what you did to me, you know?
Us?
We found your wife's killer.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Yes. But not before ruining my life, my reputation.
That was all in the pursuit of justice.
And here you are again, pursuing justice. You need to go.
Now, look, you're within your rights to have us tossed, okay? But until my curiosity is mollified about what your prints are doing inside of that woman's condo, you're not gonna have much peace, Yama Matthew.
I haven't had any peace for 27 years.
I get that. I
You're
understand.
the medical examiner. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And you're retired. So, get the hell off my land.
결국 결정적인 증거가 없었기에 두 사람은 일단 물러서기로 하는데요.
Thank you. She had marks on her wrists.
You think she tried to off herself?
I think someone tried to tie her up.
잠시 후 곧바로 괜의 사진을 보며 그녀가 어떤 매듭으로 묶였는지 분석해보는 스카페타.
It's the latest.
He used Palomar knots on Gwen Haney. Strong, hard to tie. Favored by professional survivalists.
Gotta be pretty bored to make survival profession.
And then the phone cords that he used on Laurie Peterson. Palomar knots.
Same ones?
Yes.
We gotta get a warrant on that fucking farm.
28년 전과 같은 매듭이라는 말에 머리노는 피터슨이 진범이라 확신하지만 스카페타는 더 확실한 증거가 필요하다고 말하는데요.
If you're right and it's been Matt Peterson this whole time.
Then we better fucking run.
Oh, we gotta do more than run.
Never look back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Lucy. God damn it, Jinx Slater in the wind. Blaze said to tell you that they found invisible ink at his crib.
Okay, what did I tell you? Spy. This proves my theory.
그렇게 징크스는 두 사람의 용의선상에서 벗어나고 스카페타는 피터슨이 괜에 대해 알고 있었는지 알아보기 위해 루시를 찾아갑니다.
Hey, Janet.
Hi, Dr. Scarpetta.
No, no, please call me Kay. I mean, for God's sake.
Never quite got used to that.
Can you do something for me? Can you see if Matt Peterson ever knew our victim, Gwen Haney?
Well, I could run facial recognition on the public cameras, but why? Do you think they knew each other?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Well, it'll take a couple hours to generate a report.
Can you send it to Pete when it's ready? Because I'm going to go to Dangerfield and I'm going to see.
Be careful. That place is living up to the sound of its name for women.
For women? What does that mean?
Another woman died there, I'm pretty sure.
그런데 이때 AI인 제닛에게서 또 다른 희생자가 있었다는 것을 듣는 스카페타.
Was it murder?
That death was ruled accidental.
So 2 women died there? And no one said a thing?
스카페타는 캠이라는 여성이 비슷한 장소에서 사망했지만 이상할 정도로 사건이 묻혔다는 것에 수상함을 느낍니다.
Okay, here it is, Cami Ramada. Jogger, alone, Dangerfield Island, just like Gwen. And, ruled a drowning, manner of death accident.
I don't remember hearing anything about that.
Seems like they made a pretty big effort to keep it quiet. Call Frug, see what she knows.
Yeah.
잠시 후 머리노는 동료 경찰에게 캠이 사망 사건에 대해 물어보기로 하는데요.
Hey, Blaze, I got you on the speaker here with the doc. We made any headway on that warrant for the Peterson farm?
No go. But the Thor Labs warrant just came through. I'm headed there now to meet Officer Ryan.
Good.
Do you remember anything about a jogger, Cami Ramada, Dangerfield Island?
You mean back in April? Found on the shore of the Potomac? Yeah, I was first on the scene.
Papers say she drowned.
I mean, allegedly.
What, you don't believe that?
They said that she had a seizure while jogging, fell, hit her head, and then...
What, she had head wounds?
괜과 동일하게 머리에 상처가 있었다는 것에 의미를 둔 스카페타는 케미의 사건 담당자를 찾아가 봅니다.
Cami Ramada, so what do you know about this case, Wyatt?
That was right before Debbie and Dr. Kaminsky went on maternity leave.
So she did the autopsy?
Mm-hmm. She wasn't too happy about the whole thing.
1 a.m. autopsies don't usually produce a lot of giggles.
No, not that. Look now, Dr. Reddy came by, said he was going to give Debbie the assist.
All for show.
The man was dressed up in a 3-piece suit. trying to impress those FBI guys he brought with him.
과거부터 악연이던 FBI 출신이자 현재 보건국장인 레디가 사건에 개입했다는 말에 스카페타는 수상함을 느낍니다.
I'm pulling that autopsy report.
Anybody bippy you are.
Manner of death undetermined. I mean, made it look like an accident. No crime, no perpetrator, nothing. Didn't upload anything onto CODIS.
Well, why would a bunch of FBI guys be so interested in a random jogger?
Yeah. Exactly. Why?
이제 화면은 다시 과거로 돌아가 피해자의 집 근처에서 수상한 옷을 찾아낸 머리노를 비추는데요.
Oh, God. Is that...
Breathe it in, Doc. I think this is the murder in SOB's jumpsuit.
The color is close to the fibers found on Lori Peterson's body. The fabric is a cotton synthetic blend.
그리고 역시나 옷에서는 범인의 특수한 흔적인 형광물질이 발견됩니다.
Well, same glitter goo as we found on Lori Peterson and the others. That ain't the killer's jumpsuit. I'm a monkey's uncle.
We'll see what serology says when they get the biological evidence.
Yeah, maybe they found the killer's blood and it belonged to hubby Matt.
Are you always this bullheaded?
Dingo, help me out here. It's always the husband, am I right?
I don't know.
머리노는 계속해서 피터슨을 의심했지만 여전히 증거는 부족했고 잠시 후 스카페타의 조수는 증거물 보관실에서 무언가를 발견하는데요.
Dr. Scarpetta? I just found this in the fridge.
No, the Lori Peterson evidence was already sent to New York.
So, you missed a slide?
No, my process, it's foolproof.
But it's not initialed. You usually do that.
I only collected one, Kirk.
What is this? Mislabeled folder from a different case? Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Tell me you didn't wreck the entire chain of evidence.
I don't know where this came from.
The jumpsuit. That means squad now. We might have had the son of a bitch dead to rights, and now it won't mean a fucking thing!
I remember receiving Lori Peterson's samples to the labs, including a cardboard folder of slides smeared with anal, oral, vaginal swabs.
Is there any chance that maybe you got busy, maybe mixed up a case file?
No, there is no chance. I am meticulous. I labeled the tubes with samples in them. I date and initial the perk, and then I put that information into the computer.
Okay, what about the extra labels?
The extra labels, I put them with Lori Peterson's paperwork, put to my clipboard, so...
하지만 역시나 다른 증거물도 사라져버렸습니다.
And they're gone.
Okay, and it's been locked up in your desk this whole time?
Yep.
Doc, they'll throw out this case and any other you've ever touched.
Yes, I know! I'm well aware that my credibility is at stake here. And if Ambergy gets hold of this, I will be fired by lunch.
Let's not panic, okay?
Yeah. There's another possibility. That somebody did this to me to put my credibility at stake.
누군가가 사건에 개입하고 있다는 게 밝혀지고 이제 화면은 현재로 돌아와 새로운 피해자로 밝혀진 케미의 부검을 담당했던 박사를 만나는 스카페타를 비춥니다.
Well, I was wondering if I could ask you some questions about Cami Ramada's autopsy.
Why do you ask?
I was curious as to why you ruled her manner of death as undetermined.
You know, I think that any questions you have about the Ramada case, I think you should direct to former Chief Reddy. He was present that night, so he should be the one to fill you in. Really nice to meet you, Dr. Scarpetta.
역시나 박사는 쉽게 입을 열지 않았고 스카페타는 그녀를 다시 한번 찾아가 보는데요.
Okay. I came back to this job for one reason. And the first time I did this, the first time I came here, I wanted to do it right. I really did. Because the dead, they deserve at least that. They deserve an honest, dignified ending. And I know in my gut, Cami Ramada did not get that. But it's not your fault. I know whose fault it is. And if it's gonna change around here, it's gonna require us to have a little backbone and a little courage, and not to give a fuck afraid of losing your job. I know that. I can't insulate you, I can't insulate myself, but what I can do is I can be on the side of good. I can stand for the dead. And I'm asking you, do you want to stand with me?
결국 스카페타의 설득에 박사가 입을 열기 시작합니다.
This is where she was jogging, and then this is where she drowned.
It's a pretty good distance. Why would she leave the jogging path? Unless she was being chased. Okay, so can you talk me through it again? You go to Dangerfield.
박사는 케미를 발견했을 당시의 일을 설명하며 갑자기 현장으로 레디가 찾아왔다고 말하는데요.
Then Alvin Reddy shows up. He's dressed like he's going to a catered affair, not a crime scene.
Apologies for the delay, boys. Wife and I were up to a nice dinner. Came by as soon as we could.
And he has a private conversation with the FBI. Hey, no, Dr. Reddy, I'm sorry, you guys can't be in here.
We're just observing.
There's PPE in the cabinet.
Not necessary. We won't be long.
Based on the injury patterns, or?
Well, it's pretty clear she was running, then slipped, hitting her head on multiple rocks. The trail gets very dangerous down around that one point. Obviously an accident. What do you guys think?
It's your rodeo. We defer to Dr. Reddy's great expertise.
Park Services really ought to do something about that trail. Remind me to mention that to Officer Ryan.
Dr. Reddy, at least let me submit DNA samples to CODIS.
Why? We're looking at an accident.
어째선지 레디는 케미 사건을 사고사로 주장하며 무언의 압박을 주었고 결국 박사는 케미를 사고사로 처리할 수밖에 없었죠.
You didn't happen to see a flattened penny there, did you?
No.
And Cammy had no biosynthetic skin grafts on her body, did she?
No, there was nothing.
Just trying to establish a pattern between Cammy's death, Gwen's murder. 2 women, 2 joggers, 1 island, same injuries.
There's one more thing. The night on Dangerfield, Reddy said that he had his wife in the car, but it looked like Maggie to me.
스카페타는 비서인 맥이 역시 사건 관련자로 의심하기 시작합니다.
Thank you. I don't think I've ever seen you eat less.
Fucking thing's been eyeballing me since he got put down like I'm the one that killed him.
Okay. A toast.
한편 아내와 식사를 하던 머리노는 루시에게서 전화 한 통을 받는데요.
Hey, Lucy, what's up?
See what I sent you?
No. No, I've been indisposed.
Oh. Well, you should take a look.
Okay. All right, give me a second. Pull up here. This.
It's Matt Peterson and Gwen Haney having a drink.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. This guy thinks I'm a fucking moron?
피터슨이 거짓말을 했다는 사실에 분노하는 머리노.
Everything okay, babe? I think I just made a mistake.
What happened?
No, I think I just made a big mistake.
Hey, what is it?
Officer Frug, Marino's going after Peterson. I found a connection between him and Gwen, and I shouldn't have told him, but...
Crap. I'm at Thor Labs right now. I'll call you as soon as I get done here.
No, I'm afraid of what Marino is gonna do. Fine, I gotta go.
What's taking so long?
It's a no-go.
What do you mean? We have a warrant.
They're talking security clearances, like from the government. They're calling the Department of Defense.
DOD. Shit.
다시 화면은 과거로 돌아와 증거를 훼손했다는 혐의로 지문 채취를 하는 스카페타를 비추는데요.
How's it feel getting booked?
It's not funny, Agent Wesley.
그런데 이때 증거 파일이 담긴 서류 겉에서 놀라운 것이 발견됩니다.
Hold up. Here, I got it. Is that coming from my hands?
It's gotta be. Dingo and Betty wore gloves.
What, now I'm emitting the same sparkles as our killer?
Looks like it.
대체 이게 어떻게 된 것일까요?
Did you touch anything you normally wouldn't?
No, I wore gloves and then I washed my hands in my office bathroom like I always do.
What about a new hand cream or perfume?
I didn't touch anything that wasn't part of my regular routine.
스카페타는 억울함을 주장하며 장갑을 벗은 것은 화장실에 갔을 때뿐이라고 말하는데요.
This is the only bathroom you used today, right?
Yeah.
Only one way to find out. The lights?
Yeah.
그리고 잠시 후 놀라운 현상이 벌어집니다.
There it is.
Holy shit. Turn.
그렇게 이들은 특정 비누를 사용하면 어째선지 형광물질이 손에 남아있게 된다는 사실을 발견합니다.
Oh my god, there's a cumulative effect with each wash.
That explains why the residue shows up on anything he touches. It's a significant discovery, Kelly. We can trace the soap, narrow our scope of suspects.
Plus easy to find out if the hubby had it or not.
You still think it's Matt Peterson?
Nothing yet that tells me otherwise.
시간은 다시 현재로 돌아와 분노한 채 피터슨에게 향하는 머리노를 비춥니다.
Hey, fuck what? You don't know Gwen Haney. You don't know her, right? Huh? You never fucking met her?
Give us a minute.
Yeah, get lost, honey. Unless you want to see your guru get unmasked in front of your eyes. Huh? You think I'm a fucking moron? I ain't a moron. You think you're gonna get away with this a second time? You got another thing coming.
I ain't a moron. I've got news for you, former Detective Marino. You may actually be the biggest moron I've ever met in my life.
Get up.
Come on, take a breath, Pete.
Just fuck off me.
Hey. Stop.
I'm gonna sue you for assault. You're going to jail.
Fuck you. I should have put a bullet in your head.
Okay, Marino.
No, he killed his wife. Put on a sob show and got away with it, but not this time, you hear me? He dresses up all of his sick shit and trauma and then uses it to lure defenseless girls.
I didn't do it. How many times do I have to say it? I didn't kill anybody.
You're a liar. You lied to my fucking face about knowing Gwen.
How did you know Gwen Haney?
I read an article, maybe like a year ago, about Thor Labs, all their biosynthetic engineering breakthroughs, their artificial organs and artificial skin trials. It all just got my brain a little crazy with the possibilities. And one day I'm at the bar and I see this woman. The Jewish people would say Bashert, meant to be.
Sick fuck.
So we got to talking.
Yeah, and you brought her home.
Flirting, yes, but nothing happened, okay? I was desperate. I wanted to find out if they'd found a way to do it, or if they were going to, or if it was ever even going to be possible.
What? What?
Make fully functioning, compatible, independent synthetic organs.
What do you use those for? Answer me, you fuck. What do you use those for?
To create life where there is none.
Yeah. So you thought you were gonna bring your wife back to life?
알고 보니 피터슨은 그저 아내를 살리기 위해 필사적이었을 뿐이었습니다.
She was the love of my life.
You think you're the only person in the world that ever lost anyone?
What would you do? Huh? If you can even summon the imagination, what would you do if you lost your love?
Listen to me. When people die, that's it. They're gone. They're fucking gone. They're not coming back. You know why? Because the dead ain't supposed to come back.
그렇게 피터슨에게서 진실을 들은 머리노는 그제서야 그에 대한 의심을 내려놓기로 하고 이 사실을 스카페타에게 알리기로 합니다.
Look, I got to the bottom of the whole Peterson part of this thing. And, yeah, it turns out that he did know Gwen, but you know, in his crazy way, he had more to gain from her being alive than that. Point is, he didn't do it. So you know, we're good on that front, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Pete.
Yeah, go get those 2 hours.
Night.
화면은 다시 과거로 돌아가 다른 희생자가 나왔다는 소식에 사건 현장을 찾는 스카페타를 비춥니다.
Heavy out.
그리고 피해자는 스카페타 지인의 동생이었죠.
I'm so sorry.
I was just at the movies. And then I came in. Oh my God, it was so much blood. The smell.
It's like a sour, syrupy smell.
Yes. She was my sister.
I'll take good care of her.
잠시 후 무거운 마음으로 스카페타는 피해자가 있는 방으로 향합니다.
No, pattern looks identical to the other women.
Yeah, our boy stays busy.
Time of death is between 8 and 11 last night.
Fuck me.
What?
You just ruled out Peterson. I had eyes on him the entire time.
You did? Why?
Point is, he didn't do this.
머리노는 피터슨이 범행 시각 집에 있는 것을 확인했다며 그가 범인이 아니라는 쪽으로 기울기 시작합니다.
The attack was more violent.
The city's gonna explode.
이제 화면은 다시 현재로 돌아옵니다.
Hey, listen, I gotta talk to you about something.
What?
Last night, I may have thrown a few punches at Matt Peterson's his face. But you know, I was trying to draw him out on the whole Gwen Haney of it all, and I got carried away. But I want you to hear it from me and not somebody else. Namely, Lucy.
Lucy knows?
Yeah, she was there, unfortunately.
Oh.
She was there, but we've squared it away, and we had a good talk about it. We did. But I'm sorry.
앞으로의 수사 방향에 대해 논의하던 스카페타는 케미의 사건이 어째서 은폐되었는지 알아내기 위해 남편 벤턴의 사무실로 향하기로 하는데
Wow, this is a surprise.
Entirely unauthorized.
Yes, I came in person because I intend to leave with something. I'd like to leave with the evidence that was buried from the Cami Ramadi case.
A woman, a jogger, killed on Dangerfield Island about 6 months before. Miss Haney, hey, Pete Marino.
Cami Ramada case was ruled an accidental death.
Well, that's a cover-up.
Oh, come on, let's not introduce unfounded
Why are you
accusations.
afraid of the truth, Penn? Why
Cami
are you
Ramada
afraid of
case
the
is
truth
close.
here?
I am not. I don't have
I'm
anything.
asking you, in the interest of justice.
God damn it,
I'm
Kate. There's
asking
nothing
you.
I can do.
All right. I'm going to exhume her and find out the real cause of her death.
That is a bad idea.
Really?
Dr.
She
Scarpetta.
deserves it. Her family deserves it.
It's absurd.
Thank you.
결국 스카페타는 다소 극단적인 방법을 선택하려 하죠.
You cannot let her do that. You can't.
Well, I think it's interesting that you think that I can stop her.
That didn't go good.
Nope.
Yes.
Hello, Maggie. I'm ordering the exhumation of Cami Ramada's body.
I'm afraid you can't do that.
Actually, I can. And I am.
An exhumation right now? I really wouldn't if I were you. I'll certainly have to run it by the health commissioner. He'll have an opinion.
Okay, well, I'm sure he will. Either get it done or get the hell out of my office.
그렇게 비서인 매기에게 일방적 통보를 마친 스카페타는 케미가 발견된 현장으로 움직입니다.
How did Cami end up by the water? Why did she leave the path? If you run, you run.
Unless somebody's chasing you, right? Who's this way?
Yeah. How did Cami end up by the river?
당시 케미가 어떤 상황이었을지 상상하며 스카페타는 추리를 시작해 봅니다.
I'm running on the trail. It's dark, it's quiet, thoughts disappear, just my footsteps.
I've been waiting for you, watching you. I hear the voice in my head. This is her. This is her. Spraying for blood?
No. Spraying for the penny.
You think that the penny's the signature?
Maybe. Turn that off.
잠시 후 열심히 주변을 살피던 스카페타는 예상대로 범인의 흔적을 발견하죠.
Get the fuck out of here.
하지만 겨우 범인의 흔적을 찾아낸 스카페타에게 좋지 못한 소식이 전해집니다.
What? What is it?
Brady is summoning me to his office tomorrow morning, so
Oh, shit.
I'm being fired.
You're not being fired. What are you talking about?
Yeah, no, I am.
You say that on the
being
thing?
fired. And this expedition to Dangerfield Island, that probably sealed the deal, so.
Jumping at conclusions.
그렇게 진이 빠진 스카페타는 집으로 돌아오는데요. 이때 남편 벤턴을 만나는 스카페타.
Hey.
Hey.
I shouldn't have acted like that at your work. That was not right. I'm sorry about that. You want to say anything, or?
What happened with the Matt Peterson case that made you so afraid for it to come back into question?
You're drunk.
So what? Everyone drinks in this house, isn't that so? They drink, they fight. I mean, I want to know your secret. That's all. Just want to know your secret.
What secret?
You have a secret you haven't told me.
What are you talking about?
What happened with the Peterson case that made you so afraid for it to come back into question?
Nothing.
You sleep with him, Kay?
이상하리만큼 사건에 집착하는 듯한 스카페타에게 벤턴은 의문을 품기 시작하는데
Should I ask Pete? I'm not getting anything from you.
Where is this coming from?
Where's it coming from? It's coming from me. Me, your husband. I am asking you to be honest with me. Tell me the fucking truth, Kay, or I'm leaving.
There is no truth. There's no truth. There's no lie. There's nothing. And if you want to leave, then leave. Just leave.
Disappointing.
결국 두 사람 사이의 신뢰가 깨지고 벤턴은 정말로 집을 나가버리고 맙니다. 그 시각 범인은 괜의 손을 들고 어딘가로 움직이기 시작합니다.
You forget myself. I thought I was someone else.
다음날 케미의 무덤을 파기 위해 움직이는 스카페타.
You tell Benton about the penny we found where Cammy Ramada died?
No.
The feds, they gotta be up to their tits in this, right? They're probably gonna pin it on some patsy and have somebody else take the fall for Gwen's murder, like we've seen that a million times. If Gwen really was a spy, okay, wouldn't it be more likely that whoever Thor hired to guard their secrets killed her, maybe?
Yeah.
Hold on, this is Frug. Hey, Frug, you got the doc and me on speaker here.
Oh, good. I'm leaving Thor now.
What were you doing at Thor?
Got a call that a janitor found something in a tampon dispenser.
The fuck?
Turns out it was a finger. And then Agent Wesley got here with his partner and sort of took things over.
You're telling me that Benton and Tron have a finger that was discovered at Thor Labs and we don't know anything about it?
Uh-huh. Well, now you do.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, please. Okay, so this sick fuck cuts her hands off and then drops her finger off at her workplace.
Maybe he needed her fingerprint.
Really? Well, maybe you could call Benton and fucking ask him.
I can't do that.
What do you mean you can't do that?
Because we had a fight and he left.
Fuck, what happened?
I never told him the truth about Greystone.
Good. Hey, don't start now, okay?
과연 스카페타가 말한 그레이스톤에선 도대체 무슨 일이 있었던 것일까요?
It's okay, he'll be back.
So many distractions in this case. So many distractions.
Two dead women.
Yeah.
Both found in the
Yes.
exact same spot. Both joggers at night. Both with similar head injuries. And both found with the signature penny at the crime
So
scene.
it's the same person who murdered Cammy Ramada and Gwen Hagen.
That means that it wasn't a Russian spy killer and it
No.
wasn't some disgruntled Thor assassin.
Or an angry
No,
boyfriend.
what we're looking for here is a serial killer. And Doc, I think we're the only ones looking for him.
이제 화면은 다시 과거로 돌아가 피해자들의 사진을 분석하고 있는 스카페타를 비춥니다.
What the fuck? You chose the moment of my visit to work from home?
Yeah, I'm trying to lay low. This article by a reporter I know just came out, and I can't be near my office right now.
Are those the women he killed?
5 women, all strangled, all murdered, all sexually assaulted. Now, the questions that we need to answer are, what do they have in common? Why did he pick them? And how did he get a hold of them?
Got it.
Now, the obvious outlier is Cecile Tyler. She is a black woman. The other's a white. It's highly unusual for a serial killer to stray between races. Also, what we do know is that two of them were at the VMC at the same time. So Patty Lewis had a car accident the same night that Laurie Peterson was working. Also, Cecile Tyler's x-rays show a healed fractured elbow that might have happened not long before she was killed, but the VMC don't have her listed.
Maybe she checked in under another name, or they misspelled it, or a million other things. Shit happens. People screw up. Is there a next of kin we could ask?
She's got a sister.
Well, let's call her. Call her.
고민 끝에 그녀는 피해자의 가족에게 직접 전화를 해보기로 하는데요.
Hello. Hi, is that Fran O'Connor?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, Mrs. O'Connor. This is Dr. Kay Scarpetta.
Hi.
I'm a chief medical examiner. I'm so sorry to call you out of the blue like this. I wanted to ask you a question about your sister.
Oh, dear Lord. She passed away.
Yes, I know, and I'm so terribly sorry. I wondered if you knew where her fractured elbow was treated. Was it at the VMC?
Her elbow? That was a while ago, in Fredericksburg, where we grew up. Why would you want to know that?
Well,
Mrs. O'Connor, are you black?
Of course I'm black.
And forgive me, but you don't sound black. Did your sister sound like you?
You mean, did she talk white like me? Isn't that what education is all about? So black people can sound white?
I'm so sorry, Mrs. O'Connor. What the hell is wrong with you?
She had a nice voice. She didn't sound black.
Should have a nice voice.
이때 스카페타의 머릿속에 편견이 사라지며 새로운 관점이 나타나는데요.
You think they all sounded alike?
Maybe he didn't know what race they were. Maybe he never even saw them. Maybe he only heard them.
Hey, did I just solve this?
그녀의 의심은 확신으로 바뀝니다.
My name is Laurie Peterson.
It was their voices. That's what triggered him. He didn't see them, he heard them.
So how'd he hear them? The phone?
Telephone solicitors call every night during dinner.
I don't think that's late enough.
Late enough for what?
If he's using Bora Wash soap all day on the job, gets home at 5 or 6, that's not enough time for the buildup of the glittery residue we have on our victims at 1 o'clock in the morning.
So he works late, night. What about a helpline? Suicide prevention.
And how does he get the home address?
Maybe it's a security company.
Pizza delivery guys. They're out all night. He likes her voice, and then the address pops right up.
See if there's any one pizza place that all 5 women called. That should be in their sales records.
Laurie called 911 that night. I wonder if the other women did. Can you get us those records?
No, but I can take you to them. I could drop you off at the radio room and then go hit some pizza joints.
Okay, let's do that.
Gotta say, I'm glad it wasn't Bill Boltz.
Yeah, it's great that he's just a rapist, not a murderer.
Be careful.
Let's roll.
그렇게 스카페타를 걱정하는 벤턴을 뒤로 한 채 다시 화면은 케미의 묘를 파내고 있는 현재로 돌아옵니다.
I'm gonna be late for Reddy.
I don't know how you pace up an exhumation.
I think that's her family.
I'll keep an eye here.
I'm Dr. Scarpetta. Are you the Ramada family?
Yes, we're her sisters, May, Isabel, and our mother, Vicenta.
Yes. Thank you for letting me do this.
We're grateful you're doing it.
They never gave us any answers. It was all kept a secret.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Can I ask you some questions? She was taking medication for epilepsy regularly, was she?
Yes, she was very, very serious about it.
And it wasn't unusual for her to jog at night?
She liked the quiet. Also, one time during the day, she got bit by a dog.
Did she ever mention a woman, Gwen Haney?
The girl that got murdered here?
Yeah.
No.
We need to go.
Well, I will be doing a full examination. I'll let you know what I find. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Vamos, mommy.
결국 별다른 정보를 얻지 못한 그녀는 케미의 시체를 싣고 부검실로 향하기로 하죠.
You gonna call Reddy, tell him we're late?
No, No, I'm not calling. I just need to stay with this body because we need answers.
이때 매기가 스카페타를 향해 다가오는데
Dr. Scarpetta? I've been calling and calling. You're late. You're supposed to be in Commissioner
I've
Reddy's
been
office.
caught up here. If you can tell him that I'll be there when I can.
Oh, I don't think I could do that.
Oh, you can do that.
No, I really...
You can manage that, can't you?
Dr. Scott, you should go now. He won't stand for this.
그렇게 케미의 부검이 시작되는 사이 벤터는 잡아놓은 징크스를 다시 만나고 있습니다.
Oh my God, what the fuck is that? That's your lady friend, Gwen's finger. We'll never guess what we found under the nail.
What?
Your DNA.
I didn't kill her. I swear I didn't kill her.
Or perhaps you did. You've been using your skills for the wrong side, so spying for the Russians, selling secrets. How many rubles you make? And where can you even spend them? You could have gone to Google with your talent, made a lot more money, but no. You had to fall in love, and now your sad path ends in a prison sentence.
What path is that?
The path you chose, a path of treason.
You gotta understand, I was just helping her. She was leaving a fucking trail. They were gonna kill her.
That's kind of sad to me, because I don't think she cared about you at all. And you can't, well, you just can't care more about them than they care about you. That's how you wind up a cuckold.
You don't know she didn't care. You don't know that.
No, that's just my gut instinct, which I have relied on pretty much exclusively for the past 30 years to tell me exactly how sick Cretan is that sits before me. And my meter is running well into the red on you, Jinx. Only remaining question is your immense stupidity providing some sort of false positive? Because here's the question. Are you smart? Are you smart enough, Jinx, to know that in certain situations, murder is a far better option than treason?
결국 벤터는 징크스를 압박하며 몰아세우고 그 사이 스카페타는 케미의 시신을 조사하다 괜과 비슷한 특징을 찾아냅니다.
This looks like a skin graft. This is just like the one on Gwen Haney's leg. Her sister said she was bitten by a dog.
But they both had skin grafts?
They're connected. The murders are connected.
겨우 괜과 케미의 공통점을 찾은 이들은 사건의 퍼즐을 맞춰보기 시작하는데요.
Okay, so maybe the story of a lone woman jogger getting snatched off a popular trail at a popular park and then getting beaten and drowned in the Potomac, and that's not a story that Reddy and the governor want to see in the papers, right? It's bad for tourism. It's bad for the Commonwealth.
Maybe
Jesus.
Reddy had no plan on retiring. Maybe he was angling to be health commissioner all along.
Keeping the murder rate low at scenic and popular Dangerfield Island would win him a lot of gratitude from the governor.
Can you get Dr. Kaminsky in here now?
Absolutely. You're gonna ask me twice. Jesus Christ.
사건을 덮은 레디가 범인이었을까? 황급히 움직이던 머리노였지만 그는 발목이 붙잡히고 맙니다.
There's former Detective Marino.
Pete Marino.
Yeah?
I'm Detective Stan Winters. It's my sad task today to place you under arrest for the assault of Matthew Peters.
You're gonna be fucking kidding me. Give me like 10 minutes, okay?
Put your hands in front of you.
You don't need those.
I have to do this by the book, even more so because it's you. Now put your fucking hands out.
결국 머리노는 그대로 체포되고 잠시 후 매기가 스카페타를 찾아옵니다.
Commissioner Reddy demands your presence immediately.
If you want me to leave, you're gonna have to make me.
He will fire you.
Why can't you look at her, Maggie? Is it because you feel guilty? Or is it because of the stink?
Polyps. Can't smell a thing. And why would I feel guilty?
Why? Because there was a second murder on Dangerfield that you could have prevented. Why did you do it? Why? Because you're in love with him? Is that why?
Do I seem like the kind of woman who allows love to dictate her actions? Cammy Ramada had temporal lobe epilepsy. She drowned all on her own.
And you already sweep it under the carpet. And why, Maggie? Also, your boyfriend could get himself a promotion?
You've always been such a drama queen. How you make up stories.
Cammy Ramada is dead, and her family is never gonna know the truth.
Look at you with your big brain and your perfect moral barometer. You need to leave the building.
I told you. You will have to make me.
I've been empowered by the health commissioner to throw you out. I'm calling security. Former Detective Marino has been arrested for assault. You're on your own, Dr. Scarpetta.
그렇게 스카페타가 당황하는 사이 이제 화면은 과거로 돌아가 머리노와 함께 911 상황실로 향하는 스카페타를 비춥니다.
911, what's your emergency? Okay, now what is this name?
911, what's your emergency?
Is there an adult there?
911, what is your emergency?
Hey, this is a list of all the calls. Can cross-reference them? And I'm gonna go hit those pizza joints.
Okay, I guess I'll be here for a while.
범인을 잡겠다는 의지로 피해자들의 통화 기록을 하나하나 체크하려는 스카페타.
911, what's your emergency? I think my dad is having a heart attack. Okay, just stay with me, all right? Someone's coming out.
몇 시간이 흐르고 스카페타는 피해자들이 911로 전화했었던 기록을 찾아내는데요. 잠시 후 머리를 식히러 화장실로 온 그녀는 우연히 엄청난 사실을 깨닫습니다. 바로 이곳에서 형광물질이 생기는 비누를 사용하고 있었던 것인데요. 그렇게 스카페타는 피해자들이 전부 로이 맥코클이라는 남자와 통화했었다는 걸 발견합니다.
Excuse me. Can you tell me if Mr. McCorkle is working today?
Roy's not here. Had to go see a sick mother. He won't be back till after Christmas.
Can you point me in the direction of his desk? I'd like to leave him a note.
Yeah. Station 8.
Thank you.
긴장된 표정으로 그녀는 맥코클이 있는 자리로 향하는데요. 결국 스카페타는 맥코클이 그레이스톤가에 살고 있다는 정보를 입수합니다. 곧바로 머리노에게 전화하는 스카페타.
Marino?
Who is this, the doc? Did you page me?
Meet me at 1319 Greystone Avenue right now.
What's there?
It's the home of the 911 operator who answered calls from every single one of our murder victims.
Shit. All right, copy that, doc. I'm 10 away. You wait. Don't do nothing without me.
Okay.
잠시 후 머리노와 합류하기 위해 스카페타는 맥코클의 집 앞에서 대기하는데요. 그런데 이때 여성의 비명소리가 들리자 결국 스카페타는 집으로 달려갑니다. 그렇게 스카페타가 집안을 살펴보고 있던 바로 그때
Hello, Dr. Scarpetta.
맥코클은 스카페타를 사정없이 끌고 가는데 결국 스카페타는 저항하는 과정에서 그만 맥코크를 살해하고 말았죠.
I told you to wait.
이때 뒤늦게 나타난 머리노가 맥코크를 바라보더니 큰 결심을 합니다.
You were never here.
바로 이것이 스카페타가 숨기고 있었던 그레이스톤의 진실이었죠.
It was the doctor figured it out. The 911 of it all.
This was Dr. Scarpetta, the chief medical examiner?
Yes. She called me, told me the address, and when I got here, I heard a woman in distress.
What kind of distress?
Screaming bloody fucking murder.
스카페타를 감싸며 누명을 대신 쓰기로 한 머리노.
I went in, he blindsided me, and we fought. And so I unloaded my weapon.
Get out! Get the fuck out! You okay, Doc?
Yeah.
You think Detective Marino's in trouble?
If it was a good shoot, he'll be fine.
Can't say I'm sorry he's dead. Murdering bastard. What you did to those women.
Thanks, Officer Ryan. A shit show this may be. We got him. Killer's off the streets.
Rehearsing for the press conference?
No. But you should be. Pete said you cracked this one. He's giving you full credit.
No. I connected the voice thing that they all called 911, and it's.
It's so basically the whole thing.
Yeah, I should get him to the morgue because this place is going to become a circus. So.
Yeah, you should do that. Hey. Great work, Dr. Scarpetta.
What's going to happen to Detective Marino?
I'll get asked some more questions by Internal Affairs. Don't worry, they're not looking to jam him up over this scumbag. As long as they like his story, he'll be fine.
그리고 두 사람은 이 사실을 무덤까지 비밀로 지키기로 한 것이죠. 화면은 다시 현재로 돌아옵니다.
Have you ever driven me anywhere? Ever?
You're fucking kidding me? That's all you have to say?
Thanks for bailing me out.
This is serious. You go too far. You just go too far, Pete. You always have.
It's true. I will die on a hill nobody cares about to make a point about something nobody's listening to.
Yeah, and I end up paying the fucking price for it.
You're talking about now or back in the day?
I'm talking about all of it. All of it. You make bad shit worse. I didn't mean that.
No, it's okay.
No, I didn't mean it.
You did. It's
I
okay.
did.
It's okay.
I
It's
didn't.
okay.
No, you
20 years of being a hot-headed asshole, you know. It's 20 years of picking up after me. I get it.
두 사람은 앞으로 어떻게 할 것인지 논의하는데요.
Did you ever end up getting that skin graft to Dr. Kaminsky?
Yes, I did. And I told her to call Officer Farouk if she needed help.
I should go in. Face the music.
Okay.
그렇게 머리노를 데려다주고 벤턴이 어디 있는지 궁금했던 스카페타는 조심스레 위치 추적기를 켜봅니다. 그런데 집 근처에서 벤턴의 위치가 뜬 것을 본 그녀는 호기심에 벤턴이 있는 곳으로 향하는데요. 그것은 징크스를 가둬둔 트럭이었죠.
Benton? Benton? What is this truck?
It's where we kept Jenks to interrogate him.
God, there's so many secrets, Benton. You just have more and more secrets.
I think you have a secret, Kay.
What did you do to him? Where's Jinx Slater now?
He's in custody. He's been charged with murder.
Gwen Haney's murder.
Mm-hmm.
So you're letting him take the fall, are you?
Marino was right.
Oh,
He's your patsy.
Marino. You know, I couldn't care one fuck what Marino
What happened to Gwen
thinks.
Haney?
Would
You
you
didn't
just
care?
stop trying
What
to
about
investigate
Camila
her
Ramada?
death?
What
It's
about
done.
her?
It's
Who
on
killed
Jinx.
her?
That's that.
That's
Look,
wrong.
you wanted me
You
to
can't-
warn you before. I'm warning you now. Just stop. Stop with Gwen. Stop with Cami Ramada. Just stop. Just stop it all before it is too late.
Too late? I'm fired. Who the fuck are you? Who are you?
스카페타의 다그침에 당황하던 벤터는 조심스레 자신의 컴플렉스를 꺼내기 시작합니다.
I want to be completely honest with you, Kay. I have some strange behaviors, and I have ever since I was a little boy.
Cut it out.
No, there are some creatures that I enjoy to watch suffer. And I have long hidden these things, and it's important that I say it. I gotta say this to you out loud. And I want to be a good person. I gotta show myself.
Okay.
I gotta show you my real self.
Go ahead. You want to hurt me? Is that it? You want to hit me? You want to convince me how evil you are? I know who you are.
No, you don't. You don't know me.
I've seen monsters. I've seen it all. And as fucked up as you are, I'm just as fucked up. So come on, give me your worst. Give me your shittiest shot. Convince me you're evil.
No, you don't.
I do.
Stop.
It's okay.
결국 두 사람의 갈등은 최고조로 다다르고 한 가지 결론에 도달하게 됩니다.
I want a divorce.
You got it.
그렇게 벤턴과 헤어져 집으로 돌아온 스카페타. 그런데 이때 머리노의 동료에게서 전화가 걸려오는데요.
Hey, Blaze.
Hey, sorry to bother you, but I've been working with Dr. Kaminsky on where Gwen and Cammy might have gotten their skin grafts.
Can you speak up? I can't hear.
You guessed it.
No, I can't.
Yeah.
Repeat that? Blaze, I can't hear you.
And guess who else was in the test group?
Who?
That's how he met them. They were in the same group.
갑자기 신호가 끊겨 전화가 끊어지고 그때 스카페타의 눈에 범인의 동전이 눈에 들어옵니다.
Don't you bring it back to Miss Flatton.
Yes, sir.
There she is. Do as your uncle says with that penny.
Yes, sir.
And don't mind us.
그리고 마침내 케미와 괜을 살해한 진범이 모습을 드러내죠.
Hey, Doc. See, you found my penny. That one's real special. It's from the year I was born.
Officer Ryan.
Lori was the first time I'd seen a body done to like that. The blood, her rawness, it changed me. I made a mess with Cammy, but Gwen was perfection. Just the right gal.
W.
정체를 드러낸 라이언 경관을 피해 황급히 도망치는 스카페타. 잠시 후 스카페타가 숨겨놓은 권총을 꺼내려던 바로 그때
Stop your fighting and it won't hurt.
Some of us got scars on the outside, some on the inside. I got both.
겨우 라이언을 제압한 스카페타는 그동안 라이언으로 인해 느꼈던 분노를 드러내는데요. 이렇게 스카페타가 누군가를 보며 놀라는 장면으로 드라마 스카페타 시즌 1은 막을 내립니다.